Beethoven's opera Fidelio is a great celebration of political freedom and marital love. It's set in Spain, like so many operas, and it takes place in the grounds and in the dungeons of an enormous fortress. Here, a political prisoner called Florestan has been unjustly imprisoned, and he's being guarded by the jailer, Rocco, who has a daughter, Marcellina. Florestan's wife, Leonora, has decided that she will try and rescue her husband, and so she comes to the jail and offers herself for work, dressed as a boy called Fidelio. And although Marcellina is being courted by her lover, Giacchino, it's Fidelio that Marcellina rather confusingly falls in love with. Fidelio, or Leonora, persuades Rocco to allow the prisoners to come out into the air and get some exercise, and they come out singing one of the most beautiful hymns to freedom that's ever been written. It's one of the most moving moments in any opera. And eventually, Leonora persuades Rocco to take her down into the dungeons where she sees her husband, who has been on a diet of bread and water for months or years, hasn't seen a ray of daylight, and is on the point of death. His enemy, Don Pizarro, is the governor of the region and turns up in order to put an end to the life of Florestan so that his own ill deeds and misdoings will stay forever hidden and in secret. But when he comes to do this dreadful deed and tries to instruct Rocco to go and kill the prisoner, Rocco refuses, and Leonora, or Fidelio, confronts him and kills him, and as a result, all the prisoners are allowed to go free, and Leonora and Florestan are reunited, and everybody sings a great and glorious hymn in praise of the power and strength of married love.